Signed by Derek Lord right up on the top there.
Nice.
Patented. It's made in the USA.
There he is.
Got it? Look at it like that.
Woo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Slack more.
There's the gangplank here. Right before the chart. Little signage going on. And some more signage up there. And more signage. Nice, beautiful dining room. Right before the charter. Da-da-da-da. Look at this cool stir-fry station. We are docked in the fabulous Chelsea Beach. And how are you guys doing? Are you looking forward to your charter today? We're so glad to have you.
We're excited to be wowed.
Oh yes, I will. Welcome aboard. Hello. Hello, welcome aboard. Welcome. Aboard. Hello.
Thank you.
This is great. It's really nice.
Oh, you look fabulous today. Oh, you look so nice. Let's see what you have if you can just stick it down. And you look so nice. You look so nice. Let's see. What do we have here? How do you like it so far?
So good.
I'm so glad. Wow. Look at my handsome husband. Look at the captain. So how do you like this cruise so far? You like it?
Very nice, thank you.
And where are you all from?
From China.
Really? How nice. Welcome to New York.
So this is a new story.
What's going on up here?
Sit down dining. Sit down
Y'all having fun?
Oh yeah.
Nice night.
Thanks a lot.
Are you having fun? Yeah. I'm so glad. Yay. Say cheese. Here we are in the pilot house. How you doing, babe?
We got a wine.
Hi. Enjoying the view? Wow, what do we have here? Nice. Stir fry. Wow. Nice.
So tell me, how do you like this barbecue station that you were complaining about? Stop selling it, Rob. Stop selling it.
You didn't sell it, we included it.
I tell people about it.
But I know what to sell now.
They love it.
That. Wow. You know what is nice?
What do you think, Oscar?
How feel what you get when you come on the boat and you see a station there? And this goes all night. It's very good. Nobody does that.
Got the outside part. And who's this? This is our actor aboard. Famous actor.
Hello. Whoa, nice. Hello. Hi, how's it going? You're doing some printing. Printing up the pictures right here. Oh, here we are under the bridge. Hello, are you having fun? Say cheese. Exactly. You enjoyed it.
It was fabulous. I encourage everybody to come on this boat. We had a great time. Call me if you want a reference.
Okay.
And I'm a very picky guy. I'm not easy to please.
But we
this
pleased
boat
you.
pleased us plenty.